Hey everyone, it's Viveka von Rosen, Chief Visibility Officer with Vengreso, and I wanted to share a really quick LinkedIn tip with you that might make your next conference, trade show, or even just one-on-one meeting with a client a little bit more effective when it comes to LinkedIn networking. So, LinkedIn has QR codes, and you might go, big deal. But actually, it makes connecting via mobile so much easier. This is not yet available on the desktop. So, what are these QR codes and how do you use them? First of all, you're going to go into your mobile app and just click on search. Once you've clicked on search, what you'll see below is this scan QR code. So, if you've met someone at a conference and they already have their QR code, you can just scan it, or you can show them how to get their QR code and then scan it and invite them to connect. So how do you get your QR code? Well, you just simply click on Scan QR Code and then come over one tab over to where it says My Code. And from here, you can just save your code to Photos. So I'm going to do that, or save your QR code to photo, and then they can just share their photo with you. Or you can even share your code in an update if you want to. So that's kind of cool too. And then you just come back and you go ahead and don't look at my messy desktop. You can go ahead and there we go. We'll go with this. You could go ahead and scan the code. Whoa, we're in the Twilight Zone now. But really, it's just that easy. And so anything that we can do to make connecting engaging and creating conversations, especially with people we've already met, anything we can do to make that easier, we should. So there's your daily tip. See if you've got on your LinkedIn mobile device. And hey, why not use comments below to share that image and start connecting with each other and me. See you soon.